It seems like get here again. Boys of Instagram, get here. You go the owe person money, you go to go propose.
Imagine.
You don't get the fear of God. The thunder that will strike you go collabo with pipeline.
Yes.
Let the us to pay.
Begin.
Allah.
Is Sister Nkechi again? Are you these boys on Instagram? You go to club and gonna be collecting bottle that is not your own. Later you post on Instagram, you say black bottle boys. Well done. Collecting bottles. Recycle ambassador. You see? The thunder that will fire you does not enter studio. In fact, Young John is still doing the beat. Sister Nkechi signing out. Let the us to pay. Holla.
It's Nkechi. Guys on Instagram, get in here. Those of you that is in a relationship, but you are still keeping in touch with your ex, exchanging text message and phone call. If your girlfriend asks you will say, it's nothing. Don't you trust me? Can you trust a God with a yam? Especially a yam that is that tasted before. Some of you tell your boo-boo, if you love me, you will give me time to sort it with it. You know he has an unbreakable bond. Clap for yourself. James Bond, as 007 that he is now, always firing and cocking your machine gun. If you have an unbreakable bond, why did you leave it? If you are not ready to move forward in life, then don't slow another person's life down. Or else, the thunder that will fire you, it will mix with sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil, and humus soil. Integrated science. Nkechi, signing out. Let the hustle pay. Holla! It's Nkechi. Guys on Instagram, get in here. Especially those of you that your love is seasonal. It is only in rainy season that you used to show your boo-boo that you love it. Now that the rain has begun to fall, your body is full now. You will now carry your phone. Draw a long list of girls. In your mind, one must fall. Enter the trap to quench your cold. You will call it and say, hello boo-boo. How is the weather over there? This rain that is raining here. It is raining in your area. Yeah, as a matter of fact, the rain maker that you is now. Clap for yourself. Investigative journalist. If your body is full, why not go and wet one plot of land and Lekki Expressway? Start the fishing farming or start to cultivate cassava. No,